Alright, what's up YouTube? So, you've read the title, you've clicked on the video, so you know exactly what it's about. What we have here is the Adams Polishes mystery box that they did for St. Patrick's Day. So I went with, I don't know if there were actually any other options. Hi. But I went with the $30 option that says that you spend $30 and you get a minimum $50 in products. So what I'm going to be doing is, this is still sealed up. I have not opened it. I have no idea what's inside. Going to be opening up the box, going through the products, and then I have Adams Polishes pulled up here. So I'm going to be pricing out each item, and we will see if the mystery box is worth it or not. Basically, I'll be happy with anything and be able to try anything but the leather cleaner. Anything to do with leather, I have cloth seats. So I'm really hoping that there's nothing to do with leather in here, but we'll see. Okay. So first thing, right off the bat, which is, oh, you never have too many of these, and I've actually never tried the Adams Polishes microfibers. The Edgeless Utility 2-pack. It actually says on the bag here that it's $9.99, so $10. So for first thing out of the bag, or the box, not too bad. Super happy with that. Moving into the next, what do we have here? Borderless gray plush towel. So I don't know, it doesn't say dimensions, it just says a plush towel. I don't know if that's like a dry, it looks a little small to be a drying towel. Maybe more of removing wax or something. This is a lot softer than these. These say utility, so maybe that's for like cleaning the interior or whatever, I'm not sure. But those are $8.99, so $9. So we were up to $19. Next we have the buttery wax. I'm actually super excited for this because I've actually wanted to do a comparison video. I have already the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax, and I've wanted to compare it to the Adams Buttery Wax. So look for either a review and or a comparison video to the Chemical Guys. Let's go ahead and look this up. So it says here, the buttery wax in the 16-ounce bottle, which this is $20. So we are up to $49 in products, and I've only spent $30. So next here, oh no, it's leather and interior cleaner. So it's a leather and interior cleaner. I actually already have some of this in the garage because my previous truck was leather, but this is an interior cleaner as well, which I do really enjoy this. So actually pretty excited to have this. We'll see what that is. $14.99. So $14.99 plus $49. Let me grab my phone. So we're up to $49 plus the $14.99. We'll say $15. $64. Next is the H2O Guarding Gloss. I have actually never tried this before. Supposedly, let's see here. So I've never tried this before. Let me take a look. H2O Guarding Gloss with hybrid technology delivers even longer lasting protection and increased gloss in a brand new hybrid water activated formula. So water activated, so you spray on, spray off. So it says here there is an SiO2 technology in it. So SiO2 is the silicon dioxide, which is the same thing that is used in ceramic coating. And then a carnauba blended into the emulsion provides unmatched shine and gloss to your finish. So it says it has carnauba and SiO2, so it's like a wax ceramic hybrid. I don't know if I would call it a paint sealant. I'll do a little bit more information on this because I don't know a whole lot about it. And I will definitely do a review on this product for you guys. Let's see what that comes up to. The H2O Guarding Gloss. $20. So 64 plus 20, $84. And last is the Ultra Foam Shampoo. So this is their car shampoo that is specifically designed for the foam cannon. Again, I've been wanting to try this product for a very long time, so I'm super excited. I would like to put this up against the Chemical Guys Honeydew Foam, because obviously the Honeydew Foam is a specific snow foam for the cannon, and this is a foam specifically for the cannon as well. So, review coming on this as well. Lots of reviews coming. Super excited. Let's see what that comes up to on their website. So the Ultra Foam Shampoo is $15. So 84 plus the 15, $99 here in product, and I paid $30. Alright, so definitely if you get the chance in the future, go ahead and try out the Adams Mystery Box. I highly recommend it. Like I said, I got two products that I really want to try, the Buttery Wax and the Ultra Foam Soap. One that I haven't really looked that much into, but I'm interested to give it a shot, which is the H2O Guard Gloss, and then the interior cleaner, which I really enjoy. And then obviously you cannot go wrong with more microfiber towels. Check out Adams Polishes. You can give them a follow on Instagram, Facebook, any social media. You can subscribe to their emails. You will also be notified for any future mystery boxes. They usually do it on like a holiday or like a special event like that. Like this was a St. Patrick's Day, and they only did it for a couple days. So again, highly recommend. I know if you get the more expensive mystery boxes, you get they were even including some of their new ceramic products that they were putting in. So when they do another mystery box, I will definitely be scooping up another one. That's the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment what you want me to try first of these 4 products, and I will get a video up for you guys. And until next time, peace.